The following is a short video on how to install a wind wall or privacy panel. The base plates for the posts should be installed using a square approximately 1 inch from the edge of the deck. When installing on vinyl decking, make sure to caulk all your screws. Insert 4 hex head screws using a drill, loosely at first, then shim underneath the base plates to level the post and tighten. Make sure that all the posts are level on all 4 sides. Repeat this process for all the posts in the wind wall and complete the posts, making sure they're level first. Once all your posts are level, it is now time to install the top rail. The top rail is installed level, not perpendicular to a sloped deck. Put the brackets on the top rail pieces that are cut the distance between the posts, less an inch, and attach afterwards into each post. Make sure to level the rail on each section. Now you can install the bottom rail. Measure up 3.5 inches from the deck, mark the position on your post, and attach the bottom rail the same as the top rail using the brackets. The distance between the top rail and the bottom rail should be the same for all sections so that your glass will be the same size. Screw the bottom rail into the brackets using the small Tek screws. Cut your glass inserts to size. You can snip them angularly on the edges to fit better, and insert 2 glass blocks for each glass section, and then insert the glass channel into the bottom rail. Repeat this process for the top rail and your wind wall will be complete.